Today, I'm going to show you, I think, all my cars. At least I got a lot. And it sucks that I didn't get to show you guys my other video a while ago. It was me and my cousin Tanisha that's filming right now. We were shooting some cans and cups, and then it started raining up there. Very bad. We had to go in. Now we're making this video, so let's get to it.
Pause.
Sorry, but my electric just went off, so you might not be able to see it. So, oh, sorry. All right, guys. So, got all my cars lined up, but I don't play with these cars anymore. Yeah, they're just for show, and I just hang them up on that shelf right there. But here's the golden Hot Wheels car that I showed you in the old video, my second video ever. And here's the car that was with it. The fastest car that I think is out of this whole car collection is this. But I'm just gonna show you all of them just by doing this. I'm sure you guys can hear the lightning and the thunder and the rain. It's going, we live in Skyhook now, so that's where the rain is, and pretty bad rain. And then there's that. Oh yeah, I forgot that. And there's that. Then that. Then that. Then that. And that Lamborghini. And that car. I gave that to my cousin about actually 5 years ago. And it's still in great shape. And then there's that and that. Alright, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you liked about this video. And I don't know. But yeah, sometime later tomorrow or today, I'm going to be doing another video if any of my cousins are here. And I'm trying to come out with a new intro, not new, but I don't got an intro. And you guys comment what intro think I should do and how I should make my intro and where I have to do my intro. So, peace.